Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Tuesday, May 15th, 2001, 8:30 a.m. The medium says, Babuji, there is only one thing that will not change, my love for you. You are my light, my reason for living, for enduring this suffering body, as well as the separation from being that are dear to me and so distant from this world. You are my secret garden, my permanent blessing, a smile through my tears and peace for my unhappy heart. O Babuji, I love you. To sing your praises gives me an unequaled joy. You delight my soul, taken up and captivated by you. May this song of love never end. Such is the grace I am beseeching on this especially painful day. Help me, Babuji, help me. I beg you, I cannot take it any more. My dear daughter, I can hear you. I sympathize with you. We all hear you here. We are watching over you with love and we carry you in our hearts. Spare yourself, recover from this testing but necessary day of examinations. Even if humans in general do not understand you, you should know that here we know what you are going through and we sympathize. Advance with peace in your heart, in spite of all these tribulations difficult to live with. Keep in your heart the hope to rejoin us one day on the celestial fields, where you will come and taste a well deserved rest. You have all our blessings, my child. Do not fear to express yourself. Do not shy away. Won't you, Babuji Maharaj? Wednesday, May 16th, 2001, 8 a.m. My dear daughter, forget your body for a while. Plunge within yourself. Let us meet in this sacred place, far from the purpitude of the world. This place where everything can be forgotten, where everything is magnified, may it be a way out for you, the refuge where love can be expressed unreservedly. In this holy of holies, uniting oneself with the divine is a delight. Let yourself be carried away by the wave. This one is unique and very powerful. It can take you to extraordinary heights where the profound being in these movements unites itself with the Creator. We already told you this, my child. There is nothing new. What has changed is your heart. Since then, it has opened itself to the beauty and subtlety of the ambient energy. It has grown under the effect of beneficial rays. It has matured and suffered a little more. You see how each ordeal is redemptive. This long sob, which it cannot hold back, moves our hearts that cannot resist its call. This is why desperate songs are the most beautiful. Ordeals embitter the weak. Through them, the ordeals, pure hearts surrendered to the divine intentions of the Creator grow in stature. There lies the secret. Be blessed, my daughter. In spite of your tiredness, you came towards us out of a sense of duty and out of love, especially. Come out of this contact stronger. Rest and pray. Remain united with us through the heart, and all will be well. Babuji Maharaj.